I don't get it. For crying out loud. Move it, buddy. You can't be serious. What's going on down there? Is his mom losing her marbles? Pardon me, I hate to break up the staff meeting, but they're here! Birthday guests at 3 o'clock! Yeah, boy. Would you take a look at all those presents? Yes, sir, we're next month's garage sale fodder for sure. Oh, for crying out loud, they're all in boxes, you idiot. Yeah, very good, Woody. That's using the old noodle. All right, gangway, gangway. Hallelujah! Yeah, all right. Sorry there, old spudhead. Way to go, Rex! He's putting him in backward. Here, you put him in backwards. Get your places, get your places! Oh, yeah, but not like this one. This is a quality sound system. Probably all copper wiring, huh? So, where you from? Singapore? Hong Kong? What's with him? Whoa, impressive wingspan. Very good. Yeah, I must have kicked him out earlier this year. Buzz! He was right out there. He just sailed right out. I don't think we should give him the chance. I got dibs on his hat. Tangle him! Turn around this way! Yeah, boy, the weasel ran away. Miss! G6. Oh, quit your whining and pay up. No, not the ear. Give me the nose. Come on. He's in the psycho's bedroom. Everyone, it's Woody. Something screwy here. Oh, that is disgusting. Go back to your life, citizens. Show's over. How'd he get here? What's going on? What's he taking? Big Bio! Hey, heads up, everybody. It's showtime. Way to go, Idaho!